Hello everyone and welcome back to Law Statistics. Today's presentation is based on the Trademarks Act 1999. Salient features of the Trademarks Act are providing for registration of trademark for services in addition to goods, amplification of definition of trademark to include registration of shape of go and combination of color, recognition of the concept of well, and so on. A trademark is a visual symbol which may be a word to indicate the source of good, a signature, name, device, label, numerals, or combination of color used or services originating from another. A trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design, and so on. As stated above under Section 2, Clause 1, ZB has been enlarged to mean a mark capable of being represented graphically on which it is capable of both goods and services. Widening the scope of infringement of trademarks, for instance, use of registered trademarks as trade name or as a part of transaction similar to a registered trademark. Criminal remedies in case of falsification of trademarks, recognition of use of trademark, may be even an unregistered license. Certification trademark. Certification trademark means a mark capable of distinguishing goods and services in connection which it is used in the course of trade, which are certified by the proprietor of the marks in respect of origin, material, and so on. The new definition of service has been included for the benefit of service establishments such as banking, communication, education, and so on. A service mark is the same as a trademark except that it identifies and distinguishes of a service rather than of a product. Normally, a mark for good appears on the product on it. Well-known trademark. Being a signatory to the Paris Convention and TRIPS, India recognizes the concept of a well-known trademark under Section 2, Clause 1, Subclause ZG of the Trademarks Act 1999. The process whereby a trademark is entered on the register of the trademarks is referred to a registration. Any person claiming to be the proprietor of a trademark used or proposed to be used by him can apply for registration of a trademark to the trademark registering company. The registration procedure in India is based on the first to file system. It is therefore important that the rights holder applies for the registration of its mark as soon as possible. An unregistered trademark may be assigned or transmitted with or without the goodwill of the business concerned. Earlier, such an assignment of transition without goodwill as different footing. Earlier, Section 38 of the Trade and Merchandise Marks Act 1958 provided for assignment or transmission of unregistered trademark without goodwill only if following conditions are fulfilled. Protocol relating to that. In Madrid Agreement concerning registration of marks and the protocol relating to that. The system of international registration of marks is governed by two treaties: the Madrid Agreement, concluded in 1891, the revised at Brussels 1900, Washington 1911, the Hague 1925, London, Nice 1957, Stockholm 1967, and amended in 1979. Madrid Agreement concerning registration of marks 1891. Ratification or accession must be deposited with the Director General of WIPO. However, where all the designations are affected under the protocol, the international application may be based on a mere application for registration filed with the Office of Origin. As per Section 18 of the Trademark Act 1999, any person claiming to be the proprietor of the trademark used or proposed to be used by him may make an application in the prescribed manner of the registration of trademark. Thank you and have a great day ahead.